I know you can speak English. How do I know? Because you just understood the English sentence I used. The problem is you speak better English in your mind than in reality. But with ChatGPT, you can turn your broken English into clear and articulated English in just 30 days. No, you are not going to become Shashi Tharoor in 30 days, but you can become someone who can express their thoughts and crack interviews with confidence. I'm Abdullah, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to exactly do that with a simple 4-week plan. So make sure you watch till the end. For the first week, don't worry about sounding advanced in English. Your goal is simply to start thinking and responding in English without translating from your mother tongue. So now, here is how you should use ChatGPT in the first week. Go to ChatGPT, write, "You are my English coach. Ask me simple questions, one at a time. Correct my mistakes and explain them in simple English." So my Wi-Fi wasn't on now. Yes, now I got the connection. And you see, my first question is, what do you usually do in the morning? Now you got the question. Now answer every question in English. You don't need long answers. Just try to avoid one-word answers. For example, if ChatGPT asks, "What did you do today?" Don't just say work, but say, "I went to work, completed my tasks, and came back home in the evening." After every answer, read the corrections carefully. Do this just for 20 minutes a day. By the end of the week, you will see you are translating less and answering faster. Now that you are using English every day, it's time to speak English more accurately. Now ask ChatGPT and write, "Analyze my English and tell me the mistakes I repeat most often." So you see, it has given me that you miss articles like he and the, missing helping verbs like should I, what should I write, like this, is, are, do, does. And the third one is foreign speakers, like this. So you will see the list of mistakes you commit very often. So maybe it's articles, subject, verb, agreement, or tenses. Focus on fixing those grammar mistakes instead of trying to learn all the grammar rules at once. For example, if you often say, "Yesterday I go to the market," ChatGPT will tell you it is "Yesterday I went to the market." The more you correct same mistakes, the faster your English improves. And if grammar is your weak area, then I've started a 15-day free grammar course for you. You can check that playlist after this video ends. Now, one important thing. Don't stop your week 1 practices. Just take 5 minutes out of your daily practice to focus on fixing your grammar mistakes. This is where you actually start to become confident. And also, this is the most interesting part. Open the ChatGPT mobile app. Use voice mode and ask it to practice different real-life situations with you. For example, a job interview, meeting someone for the first time, talking to a client, anything. You can even ask a prompt like this: "Conduct a mock interview and correct me if I make a mistake."
Perfect, I'll do that. Let's begin with a common interview question. Tell me about yourself, your background, skills, and what motivates you in your career. After you answer, I'll let you know if there's anything to adjust.
You see that? Don't worry about making mistakes. The goal right now isn't perfect English. The goal is to become comfortable in English speaking. And so far, if you are liking this video, then hit the like button. It will take 1 second for you, but will motivate me a lot. Now it's time to use English to express your actual ideas. Talk about topics you actually enjoy, like movies, traveling, business, technology, whatever it is. Ask ChatGPT to discuss those topics with you. How to discuss? A useful prompt could be, "Let's discuss this topic. Correct my mistakes only after I am done with the response." And if you are preparing for your interviews, then ask ChatGPT to conduct full mock interviews and give accurate feedback like an HR after your answer. And not just AI, But if you want to speak with real people, then I've made a video on 6 free English speaking apps where you can speak with real people from all over the world. You can check that out here. Now, let me give you a simple way to maintain everything I just said. By the time you reach week 4, your ultimate routine should look like this. You can take a screenshot if you want. That's just 20 minutes a day. Come on. If you can spend 40 minutes in the washroom just scrolling, then you can also spend 20 minutes per day to improve your English. Try this plan for the next 30 days and see the difference for yourself. And if you want a complete demo to show you how exactly I use ChatGPT's voice mode for role plays, interviews, and speaking practice, comment "I want demo" and I'll make the next video on that. And if you want to improve your English speaking or crack interviews, then do subscribe to Speak Pro Hub. See you in the next one. Adios.